All right, guys, Max here with Hardwater Freaks. Dude, I see something right now that I've never seen before. You guys got to see this. Look at where this guy is fishing.
Oh, hey, what's up?
How's the bite in there?
It's actually really hot. Been doing great on these bluegills. The key to early ice fishing,
There's no way you're getting them in here.
let me tell you guys, if you want to hammer bluegills, you have to find the structure. Most guys will go out into a big lake and they'll just drill a bunch of random holes and start fishing, but once you find the structure,
You're almost in the woods, buddy. I just broke through right behind you. I can't believe you're fishing on that ice.
you gotta find the structure, my friend.
Oh my God, look at this.
That's where they're at.
He's hammering.
That's where they're at.
All right, thanks for the advice, bud.